Before you invest in barcode stock, there are 7 key things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for your needs. Stick around to the end because these insights will save you time, money, and headaches down the line. First off, barcode stock is a powerful tool for businesses that need to streamline inventory management through barcode scanning. If you've been using more generic software for tracking your products or even sticking to manual methods, you're probably familiar with the challenges, inefficiency, errors, and time wasted. Barcode stock stands out in its simplicity and user-friendly design, making it a great alternative to more complex, expensive software options. Next thing, if you've ever looked at barcode scanning systems, you know how crucial accuracy is. Barcode stock offers precision that's tough to beat. Unlike some competitors that can be clunky or inaccurate, this software ensures high-level accuracy, reducing the chances of errors that can cause big headaches for your inventory process. It integrates with most barcode scanners without requiring complicated setups, which is a huge time saver. The third thing you should know is the cost structure. A common complaint with many barcode and inventory systems is hidden fees or expensive add-ons that stack up over time. Barcode stock, however, offers a transparent pricing model with a free trial available right now. If you're curious about how it compares to competitors, you'll find that their pricing is very reasonable, especially given the features you get. The flexibility to scale your subscription as your business grows also adds significant value. The fourth thing is the range of customization options. Not all businesses are the same, and a one-size-fits-all solution often falls short. With Barcode stock, you can tailor the software to match your specific needs. Whether you're tracking products by serial number or need advanced reporting options, you can tweak settings easily. This kind of flexibility is something you won't always find with competitors, especially at this price point. Next, let's talk about integration. Barcode stock works seamlessly with a variety of other software and platforms, whether you're using it alongside an existing ERP system or accounting software. It integrates smoothly, saving you from dealing with clunky, incompatible systems that slow down your workflow. This is another area where it beats out many competitors who often have limited integration capabilities, requiring you to pay for additional plugins or extensions. The sixth point to note is that barcode stock isn't just for large enterprises. If you're running a smaller operation or a startup, this software is ideal because it's scalable and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. Compared to many other systems that are designed for bigger companies and carry hefty price tags, barcode stock offers something much more accessible. You get enterprise-level functionality without the enterprise-level cost. Finally, if you're someone who values customer support, Barcode stock excels here as well. The company provides solid, responsive customer service to guide you through any setup issues or troubleshooting you might face. Many competitors fail in this area, leaving you on your own when problems arise, but with Barcode stock, you'll get timely, helpful assistance whenever you need it. If you're ready to experience these features and more, click the first link in the description below to get your best free trial for Barcode stock and unlock some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on the chance to streamline your business with a tool that simplifies your inventory management, reduces errors, and saves you time.